The discussion of aircraft always comes first when aviators speak of the most recent and creative aircraft, or the biggest and most effective. The aviation industry is unique among others because of the airplanes. The flying vehicle travels great distances quickly, while transporting thousands of passengers and tons of cargo. Only a few powerful corporations that built their names by producing the best aircraft in the world can manufacture the most innovative and progressive products, such as airplanes. Among them, the Boeing Company is in the lead. The Boeing Company BA is a multinational company based in the USA that develops, produces, and markets aircraft and related components. It is the largest firm and a global leader in aerospace, defense, and security technologies. The BA offers all types of product support services. Boeing is the world's largest airplane manufacturer, and its products are of superior quality to those of its rivals. History and features. Launched on September 5, 1994, the Boeing 737-800 was an extended version of the 737-700. The 737-800 can accommodate 189 people in a high-density one-class configuration or 162 people in a two-class one. The former was delivered to the launch client Hapag-Lloyd in April 1998. The 727-200 of U.S. Airlines was instantly replaced by the 800 in place of the 400. Features of Boeing 737-800. The 737-800, which is well known for its dependability, fuel economy, and performance, is chosen by top carriers all across the globe because it gives operators the flexibility to serve several markets. The single-aisle plane can carry 12 more passengers than the rival type, while flying 260 nautical miles farther and using 7% less fuel. The wing design of the 737-800 uses cutting-edge technologies to aid boost fuel capacity and efficiency, both of which extend range. As opposed to the previous 737 models that offered 0.745 Mach, the modern wing airfoil shape offers a 0.789 Mach, 530 miles per hour, economical cruise speed. Compared to the competition, the next-generation 737 aircraft could cruise at a maximum height of 41,000 feet, as opposed to the 39,000 feet of the others. Crashes and accidents. The 737-800 is a part of the 737NG or next-generation family and has been in service for 30 years. Over 7,000 deliveries have been made since 1993. On September 5, 1994, the 162-189-seat 737-800 was introduced. The NG is the 737 MAX's predecessor. After two deadly crashes that resulted in 346 deaths, the MAX was banned from use for 20 months. It remains anchored in China. The China Eastern accident included a 6-year-old jet that was traveling from Kunming, the capital of Yunnan Province, to Guangzhou, the capital of Guangdong Province. American Airlines, which has 265 700 and 37 800s in service, is followed by Southwest Airlines, which has 205, and United Airlines, which has 136. The most recent 737-800 deadly disaster involved an Air India Express jet in August 2020. A total of 21 people died when an express jet landed in heavy weather at Calicut International Airport in Kerala and overshot the runway's short length. According to a government study, the pilot's mistake was most likely to blame. As many as 11 fatal accidents involving the 737-800 have occurred, including an Iranian military shootdown in 2020. Boeing 737 variants. Boeing's next generation, also known as NG 737, narrow-body jetliners with two wing-mounted CFM56 engines made by CFM International, are as frequently produced as the 737-800. According to Boeing, about 5,000 civilian 737-800s were delivered between 1998 and 2019. The 737-600, 737-700, and 737-900 are additional well-liked NG variations. With all four types combined, there are roughly 6,449 737 NGs in existence worldwide, with an average age of 11.8 years. Designs of Boeing 737-800 converted freighter. The next generation 737 passenger plane serves as the foundation for the 737-800 BCF. To improve flight performance and fuel efficiency, it consists of blended winglets. Compared to the standard body freighters in the 737 series, the aircraft guarantees lower operational costs per ton of payload. The plane is 39.5 meters long, 35.8 meters in wingspan, and 12.6 meters in height. Its maximum landing weight is 66,350 kilograms, while its maximum takeoff weight is 79,000 kilograms. Since the freighter uses many of the same parts and systems as the next generation 737 passenger plane, logistics and maintenance costs get reduced. The other Boeing passenger fleet's high number of commonalities guarantees a quick and seamless pilot transfer. The aircraft has retractable tricycle-style landing gear with oleo-pneumatic shock absorbers that operate hydraulically. The twin-nose wheel retracts forward as the main wheel units retract backward. The 737-800 BCF has a 23.9-ton cargo carrying capacity. The aircraft can carry a maximum payload of 20.76 ton. The lower deck has 43.7 cubic meters of capacity for bulky goods, while the main deck has 141.5 cubic meters of space for freight. The aircraft has 4 seats for non-flying crew or passengers. It also has a massive cargo door and cargo handling equipment. The freighter has 12 pallet locations that can hold one contoured pallet, 88 inches by 62 inches, and 11 conventional 88 inches by 125 inches pallets. Performance and engines. 2 CFM56-7BE turbofan engines, each with a maximum thrust of 32,900 pounds, are used to power the aircraft, and they include several propulsion system upgrades, including new, improved blades, vanes, and rotors. Nitrous oxide emissions, fuel usage, and carbon dioxide emissions are all reduced. The Boeing 737-800 found a balance between several elements. The 737-800 has a one-class layout that can accommodate 175 passengers. Comparatively, the Boeing 737-600, 700, and 900ER can each accommodate 123, 140, and 177 passengers. Because of its longer fuselage, the Boeing 737-800 has much greater room for passengers and cargo. One may anticipate that this will reduce the range. However, the 737-800's range of 2,935 Nm is not lower by much than that of the 737-600, 700, and 900ER, whose respective ranges are 3,235 Nm, 3,010 Nm, and 2,950 Nm.